All right, we have Leigh here. A very dominant performance today. Give us your input about today's match.
Yeah, it's a professional performance. I think what it was needed. You know what I mean? Like we needed to bounce back from the result on Friday. So important that we did that. I think that everyone played their part, did the right things. We knew if we brought energy that we'd be better than them, and that's what we did today.
All right. So as you mentioned from the last result, it was a disappointing game. However, we turned back things around, and based on that result, we're back on top of the table. What's your mindset now going into the November window?
To be ruthless. You know, at the end of the day, we know that 2 wins gets us there. Obviously, a win and a draw does just enough, but that's not what we want to do. We want to go and dominate the group and make sure that we leave it not up to chance. So, yeah, it's important that we go and give more dominant performances, get the results, and be ruthless. That's the main focus.
All right. How would you grade your performance tonight?
I think that honestly it's more of a team performance really. Like at the end of the day, as a defender you go out and you want to get a clean sheet. We've done that, so we limited them to minimal chances. I was happy with my own play, so yeah, I can't say too much that I did too much good things, but I didn't do a lot wrong. So yeah, I'm happy with it.
All right, finally, in the last window in November, based on what the Curacao fans did to you guys over there, what do you expect from the Jamaican fans in November at the National Stadium?
You know, at the end of the day, the fans react off us. We got to come and give them something to cheer about. You know what I'm saying? So when Curacao come here, we hopefully they feel the hostility that we felt when we were there, and you know, but we have to give the fans something to cheer about. And yeah, we'd like it if the fans got on our side because we do it all for them.
All right, Greg, thanks again for stopping by and safe journey back home.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.